morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. Here's what I'm noticing. You know, we generally say the European model is the most accurate model. It's not God. It's not 100% perfect out in the future. It tends to be lately a little bit colder than normal, but what I'm noticing is it's starting to show signs that the 40s are going to be real slim, and we're going to start to trend to staying in the 30s. That's not until the middle to end of next week. So I guess what I'm saying is in the extended term, I'm seeing it look a little more wintry, but fairly quiet as far as storm systems go. So let's get to it. Hey, the satellite picture this morning shows that we can enjoy more sunshine. We had about 50% sunshine in the month of November because it was a warm November. I'll have stats on that for you later on MLive.com. And even though it's, fairly cold and chilly, we do have some sunshine out there this morning. All right, let's get to it. And let's show you the European model. Again, I have to apologize because I show you the one with a lot of squiggly lines on it. So let me go over what you're seeing here. So the things that stick out, the blue lines and the red lines, those are the upper level temperatures about 5,000 feet up. I use those to determine how warm it will get at the ground. It's a good way to look at it. It doesn't fluctuate through the day, and so your eye can get a feel for what's going on in the trend. Of course, the green areas and the blue areas and the orange areas, that's the amount of liquid precipitation. And then the black squiggly lines, that's the storm system centers. But this is a good way. Hey, good morning, maybe Michigan, and good morning, Marymount Paz. Terry Lee Gentry, thanks for watching. All right, so we are into this afternoon, and it's still kind of breezy, still, fairly chilly, but 40 degrees really isn't too bad. And then we're into Thursday, good travel conditions. Now, this is kind of what I'm seeing is that the cold is trying to back into our area from the northeast. And so here comes a cold front on Friday. Not a massive one, but it sends a batch of snow, showers mostly. But where you see the green and the eastern thumb, that might be another inch or 2 or 3 of lake effect snow. And then that swings through. And as we go to Saturday, this is midday Saturday. So Saturday looks like it's decent travel conditions. Still a northeast wind. We could have another little batch of snow back into the thumb off of Lake Huron. West side of the state, you're looking quite dry for quite some time. Now, we're into Sunday, and now we're into Monday. Another weak little cold front from the north. And, a tiny little system. So the big moisture-laden storm systems are going to be pretty absent here for the next week or so. Now, this is next Tuesday. Alberta Clipper dropping southeast out of Canada. This one, if this verified, would have chance to be all snow. Would be the fluffy snow, but, that's a couple of inch snow. Hey, good morning, Bill Hobart. And then we're into next week. And go to the end of the model run. This is 10 days out. Admittedly, that's pretty far out. But see where we're left with the blue lines, making it all the way down into South Carolina, into Tennessee and such. And as a result, we're going to have a tough time getting much warmer, at least for a time period. Now, the extended forecast, I think, might have to change some. And it's warmer than normal, 6 to 10 days, 8 to 14 days, and 3 to 4 weeks forecasts are all warmer than normal. Not so sure it's going to be much warmer than normal, maybe just slightly warmer than normal. And that's why I'm saying it's probably time to prepare for winter. All right, high temperatures today, 40, 44 degrees with the sunshine, so it still will be pretty nice for this time of the year. And high temperatures tomorrow on Thursday, already Thursday tomorrow, 40s southern half of lower Michigan, 30s northern half and in the UP. Then back to Saturday, we're looking at Friday now, back to the low 40s in a lot of areas. Saturday, upper 30s. Sunday, upper 30s to about 40. Monday, about the same. And Tuesday, about the same. And the colder weather that I'm talking about, gradually colder weather that I'm talking about, wouldn't start until about Wednesday or Thursday of next week. Hey, Diane Anderson, thank you very much. Love the fact that you're joining me every morning. Sandra, how do I get this off my screen? I have no idea what you're talking about. If you're talking about how to get rid of a video, it is kind of tough sometimes. I agree with you. I think you swipe down, it'll go to the bottom, and then there'll be an X. But yeah, sometimes when you get on a video that you don't want to be on, which I hope that's not the case, it's hard to get rid of the dang thing. Hey, good morning, Grand Blank and Allison Gleason. So, it's pretty simple today. Not much going on weather-wise. I think the word of warning for you on weather is you better probably start to prepare for 30s and freezing every morning. So if you got that project you still haven't finished up, I think you're in your last week of doing it comfortably. And then, of course, some of us guys and ladies like to plug on with winter projects, even out in the cold. There you go. Hey, good morning, Brighton Vicki Warner, and good morning, Jenny Steele, and good morning, Brenda Spitnail from Midland. Thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update. That's about it. The weather pretty quiet, travel problems non-existent probably for the next several days at least, and I'll update you again. I may take tomorrow and Friday off. I got to verify that with my boss first, but I have a couple of days coming, so I think I may do that. So you might not see me tomorrow or Friday, but of course, if the weather becomes something that you need to know, we'll join in here on MLive and let you know. Take care. Thanks for joining me. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa.